ELE111 students. This is Mr. Mizuko. Classes for your course will resume online only on April the 6th, 2020. You may start early. I have provided you some information below that will help you start this class and end this class successfully in the next 4 or 5 weeks. Use Remind to communicate with me, to ask questions, to seek help, and we'll go from there to get you moving. There will be no lab time, and your homework will serve as your exam for the material covered. Unfortunately, with the pandemic in full swing, there are limits to what we can do. I will make an effort to collect your homework towards the middle to the end of the remaining weeks of class to be determined, and there will be no final exam. We will use all our time to continue learning and mastering the things that you're going to need moving forward into ELE112 in the coming semesters. If you take a look below, the schedule says from the 6th to the 12th of April, you are covering a small section of the voltage divider in Chapter 5 of your text, and you'll be covering the first 3 sections only of Chapter 16 and 17. I stress the first 3 sections. See the homework packets for the actual questions that you will be working on. On April the 13th through the 19th, you will be moving into Chapter 6, talking about the current divider, and Chapter 16 and 17, which will cover parallel RL and RC circuits. See the homework packets. There is a separate packet for Chapter 6, 16, and 17. On the 3rd week of April the 20th through 26th, we will start our series parallel study. This will be very challenging to do on your own. I suggest you start early. You will notice there are very few problems in the homework section, but each of these problems can take significant amounts of time and are quite challenging. So, Chapter 7, Sections 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7, I do recommend reading the book. Chapter 16, 6, and 17, 6, also, I do recommend reading the book. We will take from April the 20th through May the 6th to get through these 3 weeks of Chapter 7, 16, and 17 series parallel. You also have homework packets for this. So, to summarize, there are 3 homework assignments listed to the right, dealing with each of the different sections we are covering in the remaining 5-6 weeks of this course. I do recommend you look at my other YouTube videos related to Chapter 5 voltage divider, 16 and 17 sections 1, 2, and 3, which will be some of the first material that is posted up there. Instructions will be coming shortly. Good luck. Stay in touch.